Are humans kind or cruel? Generous or selfish? The truth is, we are all of these things. Our complex nature was forged over thousands of years of evolution, especially when our ancestors moved from the forests to the African savannah. Life on the savannah was tough. There was less food and more predators. Our ancestors had to adapt. They developed the ability to walk on two legs and throw stones, but their most important adaptation was learning to work together. Cooperating in groups requires complex social skills. This need for teamwork pushed our brains to get bigger and better at communicating. Over millions of years, this is how we evolved from early hominids into modern humans. Homo erectus had a brain twice the size of earlier species. This allowed them to plan complex hunts and divide labor within the tribe. As our brains grew, we developed a theory of mind, the ability to imagine what others are thinking. This made passing knowledge from one generation to the next much easier. This ability to share knowledge set the stage for a major shift, the agricultural revolution. Our ancestors traded nomadic life for farming. The key here is that while farming provided stability, it also created private property and surplus food, which led to hierarchy and inequality. Despite this, our social nature is still with us. We are driven to connect with others. This instinct was vital for survival, whether to warn the tribe of a tiger or to coordinate a hunt. We value skills like storytelling and confidence because they helped our ancestors succeed. Often, our first instinct is to find social solutions to problems. For example, people paid porters to carry their heavy luggage for centuries. The rolling suitcase wasn't invented until 1970. We usually turn to technical innovation only when our social networks fail us. Our social context determines if we cooperate or have conflicts. We are generally very good at cooperating within groups, but competition over scarce resources can lead to violence. In contrast, a common threat can unite a group, just as the 9/11 attacks brought Americans together. Now, we all want to be happy. But interestingly, a lottery win won't make you permanently happy. Evolution has made happiness a tool for survival. We feel joy when we do something that helps us survive and reproduce, but these feelings must be fleeting to keep us motivated. So how do we build true happiness? We can follow our evolutionary imperatives. This means staying physically healthy, maintaining an active social life, and pushing ourselves to learn and master new skills. Our modern world often tells us to seek happiness in possessions, but a meaningful life comes from connecting with our social instincts. We are a unique species, but we are still products of nature. Our behaviors are shaped by millions of years of evolution. Our ancestors survived by adapting complex social skills, and those same basic instincts are still inside us today.